National Electrical Code, or NEC, regulations regarding concealed electrical splices are important to understand for safe and compliant electrical installations. For 120-volt wiring, the NEC prohibits concealed splices in 120-volt branch circuits as stated in NEC section 300.15. Similarly, concealed splices are prohibited for any line voltage wiring, including fire alarm panels. This is covered in NEC section 760.24. Now, let's look at where the NEC allows for concealed splices. The NEC allows concealed splices for low voltage wiring. This includes wiring for telephone, CAT TV, intercom, security, doorbell, 24-volt thermostat, Ethernet, and speaker wiring. However, even when permitted, it is vital to adhere to specific requirements and best practices. Firstly, concealed splices must be made using appropriate materials and techniques. Use solder connectors or wire not specifically designed for concealed splices. Secondly, the splices should be protected from physical damage and moisture. Consider using enclosures or other protective measures to safeguard the splices. While the NEC permits concealed splices in certain low-voltage applications, it is always a better practice to avoid them where possible, especially for line voltage wiring. When undertaking electrical work, a general recommendation is to rewire to exclude all concealed splices. This results in a more professional and safer installation, minimizing the risk of future electrical issues and ensuring code compliance. Remember that even for low-voltage applications where concealed splices are allowed, they must be done correctly using appropriate materials and techniques. The goal is always to ensure a safe and reliable electrical system. When in doubt, consult a qualified electrician or electrical inspector to ensure compliance with all applicable codes and regulations. Staying informed about NEC regulations and best practices is essential for anyone working with electrical systems.